Here at Bowdle Healthcare, we have a clinic with 3 full-time providers. We are a critical access hospital with 12 beds that provides outpatient services as well as emergency room services, swing bed services, which is something that as a rehab director I'm very proud of because we're a big part of. Then we have a nursing home for long-term care, radiology services, lab services, outpatient physical, occupational, and speech therapy.
Small communities are the best for raising your family. You know, it's like a little family. People watch out for each other. People take care of each other's kids. You know, sometimes people think that, oh, they just want to know what's going on, but really it truly is in their best interest because they want to try and help you if you need help, and they just truly care about each other in small towns. Everybody's so warm and friendly and welcoming. They're eager to help you when you need help and just offer things that no other places do.
I really appreciate how above and beyond all of the providers go for their patients. I doctored in a larger community just with pediatricians. They were obviously specialized and they cared about their patients, but they would make an appointment for you with a specialist and then that would be kind of the end of it. Whereas here, the providers will fight to get the best specialist provider. They will fight to make sure that it's at the best time for you, and then they will follow up. It's not just pass you on to the next. There's really a circle of follow through in these smaller communities. I graduated from Eureka. It's about 23 miles north of here. I went to USD for both my undergrad and graduate degree in speech-language pathology. Then I left and went to Wyoming to work for 6 years. I decided to move back, started working part-time with the hospital, and eventually that kind of grew into full-time as a speech-language pathologist here, and then that grew into director of rehab.
You're not a number here. You're definitely a person. They take great pride, you know, in helping and get that individualized care that people need. We have a very good trauma team. We can take care of heart attacks, strokes, you know, and take care of them until they need to get to the higher services that they need to.
Something unique about our facility is the mixture between people who have been here their whole lives, were literally born and raised here and came back to work here, and then people who have moved here through different life circumstances or maybe have been recruited here. I think there's a good mixture of old faces and new faces.
So right here in Bowdle, they do have the elementary pre-K through 12. They have the bus route, so they would be able to, you know, come pick the children up, take them on the bus. It's a very good school system, and they're able to go in one building for all 12 years. So a lot of people like to go fishing and boating, camping, especially in the summertime. I personally like to ride bike, I like to garden. Wintertime, you can get outside and still do activities. Little ice skating pond that they put up here in Bowdle in the winter. It's not very far to go to the Black Hills to go snow skiing.
Within a 20-25 mile radius, every town has a little celebration every weekend where you can go and see old friends, new friends, listen to some music, just really catch up and relax. We have a really good hardware store who works really well with us to get anything that we need. There is a convenience store that stocks all the essentials. There's a pharmacy, and there's a little coffee shop, and then we also have a really nice flower shop. So Amazon comes here. So does Walmart. We've got FedEx, we've got UPS, and of course the post office. There's a grocery store 20 miles to the north and 20 miles to the south, and those are both really great grocery stores. So getting what you need isn't difficult, especially if you plan ahead a little bit. Come up here for a visit and look around and see everything that we have to offer. Really be able to see what small town life is like. If you go to one sporting event, you can pretty quickly and easily see that we are a tight-knit community, but still welcome other people coming in. That's one thing that's really nice about Bowdle.
They're currently looking for nurses and certified nursing assistants in the nursing home. registered nurses at the hospital. We're looking for a part-time registered nurse in our public health department. I believe they're looking for a billing receptionist and x-ray technicians. I know there are some sign-on bonuses for long-term care nursing CNAs, also hospital nurses. There is a bonus for x-ray technicians.
Some places can be kind of cliquey and Bowdle isn't. Bowdle is a really welcoming place, and we work hard to make people coming into the facility comfortable. We really do help figure out housing or any of those things that you're worried about. We do our best to kind of alleviate before you get here.